Personality adjectives. Hi everyone, welcome to You English. In this video, we are going to learn 50 adjectives to describe character and personality. Here we go. First, adaptable. Adaptable means able to adjust to new conditions. Sinonimnya adalah flexible, adjustable, and malleable. Adaptable artinya mudah beradaptasi. Contohnya, young children are highly adaptable. I'm sure they won't mind moving to a different area. Anak kecil itu sangat mudah beradaptasi, makanya nggak masalah jika mereka berpindah ke tempat yang baru. Adaptable, mudah beradaptasi. Next, courageous. Courageous means having or showing courage. Berani. Sinonimnya adalah bold, brave, dauntless, and fearless. In a sentence, Stanton had a violent temper and a sharp tongue, but he was courageous, energetic, and thoroughly honest. Courageous. Berani. Lawan dari courageous adalah cowardly. If you describe someone as cowardly, you disapprove of them because they are easily frightened and avoid doing dangerous and difficult things. Sinonimnya adalah spineless, wimpish, and weak-kneed. Cowardly artinya adalah penakut atau pengecut. Contoh, I thought you'd be too cowardly to stay in that old building by yourself. Kukira kamu akan takut, tapi ternyata tidak. Humble. Humble means not proud, not thinking that you are better than other people. Humble, rendah hati. Sinonimnya adalah modest, down to earth, and unpretentious. In a sentence, she is too humble to let praises about her achievements go to her head. Humble, rendah hati. Lawan dari kata humble adalah arrogant. Arrogant means unpleasantly proud and behaving as if you are more important and know more than other people. Sombong atau tinggi hati. Sinonimnya adalah haughty, conceited, uppity, and snobbish. After Michelle married the wealthy doctor, she became arrogant and would not associate with people in her old neighborhood. Arrogant. Sombong. Selanjutnya adalah faithful. Faithful means true to one's word, promises, vows, etc. Faithful artinya adalah setia. He had remained entirely faithful to his wife till the day he died. Dia tetap setia pada istrinya sampai dia meninggal. Faithful. Loyal. True. Steadfast and staunch. Trustworthy. Trustworthy means able to be relied on as honest. Dapat dipercaya. Sinonimnya adalah dependable, reliable, and truthful. In this job, we need someone who is entirely honest and trustworthy. Kita butuh orang yang betul-betul jujur dan dapat dipercaya. Trustworthy. Dapat dipercaya. Honest. Honest means sincere, free of deceit and untruthfulness, telling the truth and able to be trusted and not likely to steal, cheat, or lie. Jujur. Sinonimnya adalah truthful, upright, and trustworthy. We should always be honest in our dealings with other people. Kita harus jujur dalam berurusan dengan orang lain. Honest. Jujur. Lawannya adalah dishonest. Dishonest implies the act or practice of telling a lie, saying things that are untrue. Dusta. Sinonimnya adalah lying, untrustworthy, and deceptive. Tidak jujur atau dusta. Elderly people are easy prey for dishonest salesmen. Dishonest, tidak jujur atau dusta. Next, generous. Generous means willing to give and share unstintingly. Generous artinya adalah dermawan. Sinonimnya adalah charitable, bounteous, and magnanimous. In a sentence, the school raised the money through donations from generous alumni to build a new laboratory. Generous, dermawan atau murah hati. Stingy. Stingy means that you don't want to share or spend money to other people, unwilling to give. Sinonimnya adalah miserly, mean, tight-fisted, pelit atau kikir. I don't want you to think that I am stingy, I'm really strapped for cash at the moment. Bukannya saya pelit, tapi memang saya tidak punya uang. Stingy, pelit. Next, broad-minded. Broad-minded means tolerant of varied views, inclined to respect views or beliefs that differ from your own. Tolerant, deceptive, and open-minded. Berpikiran luas. Travel helps you become more broad-minded. Dengan mengadakan travel atau perjalanan, kita akan semakin broad-minded atau berpikiran luas. Broad-minded. Selanjutnya adalah intelligent. Intelligent means able to learn and understand things easily. Sinonimnya adalah clever, bright, brilliant, and genius. Artinya pintar atau pandai. Known for being intelligent, Kim was a shoo-in for the college scholarship program. Karena dia pandai, sepertinya dia pasti akan mendapat beasiswa untuk ke universitas atau untuk ke sekolahan tinggi. Lawan katanya adalah slow-witted. Slow-witted means mentally slow, slow to understand, think, or learn. Bebal atau bodoh. Sinonimnya adalah stupid, dumb, slow, dense, or moronic. Her slow-witted and even foolish demeanor create a lot of embarrassing situations for her family. Slow-witted, bebal atau bodoh. Selanjutnya adalah hardworking. Hardworking means always putting a lot of effort and care into your work. If you are hardworking, you work very hard. Sinonimnya adalah diligent, industrious, and assiduous. Tekun atau rajin. He is a very hardworking student who is always eager to learn. Hardworking, diligent, industrious, and assiduous. Selanjutnya adalah indolent, lawan dari kata hardworking. Lazy, wanting to avoid activity or exertion. Sinonimnya adalah lazy, slothful, sluggish, and work shy. Malas. Some people think that mobile phones and video games have bred a generation of indolent teenagers. Gara-gara HP, remaja kita jadi malas. Indolent. Next, patient. Patient means able to accept or tolerate delays, problems, or suffering without becoming annoyed or anxious. Sinonimnya adalah even-tempered, understanding, and forbearing. Sabar. The teacher treated her students in a patient and understanding way. Gurunya sangat sabar dan pengertian. Patient, sabar. Selanjutnya adalah ornery. If you describe someone as ornery, you mean that they are bad-tempered, difficult to deal with, grumpy, and hard to please. Orang yang sulit, pemarah atau galak. Sinonimnya adalah ill-natured, bad-tempered, and cantankerous. Cantankerous, ornery. Contohnya, no one can get along with that ornery old man. Gak ada orang yang bisa bergaul dengan dia. Selanjutnya adalah grumpy. Grumpy. It means being in a slightly angry mood because you are annoyed at something or are feeling tired. Sinonimnya adalah crabby, irritable, cranky, and surly. Grumpy, lekas marah atau uring-uringan. Because of my toothache, I hadn't had enough sleep and was feeling kind of grumpy. Karena sakit gigi, aku kurang tidur, makanya cepat marah atau uring-uringan. Grumpy. Next, cautious. Cautious means careful about avoiding danger, risks, or problems. Sinonimnya adalah careful, chary, and risk-averse. Cautious, waspada atau hati-hati. We can be cautious without becoming overly suspicious. Kita bisa kok berhati-hati tanpa harus merasa curiga. Hati-hati. Cautious. Lawannya adalah reckless. Reckless means showing a lack of care about risk or danger and acting without thinking about the result of your actions. Sinonimnya adalah careless, heedless, and rash. Reckless artinya adalah sembrono, gegabah atau ceroboh. He was accused of causing death by reckless driving. Karena cara menyetirnya yang ugal-ugalan, dia menyebabkan orang meninggal dunia. Reckless. Impulsive. Impulsive means doing things suddenly without careful thought, without planning, and resulting from a sudden impulse. Sinonimnya adalah spontaneous, hasty, and impetuous. Artinya adalah menurutkan kata hati atau tak berpikir panjang. She made an impulsive decision to quit her job. Tanpa berpikir panjang, dia berhenti dari tempat kerjanya. Impulsive. Charming. Charming. Pleasant and attractive and delightful. Sinonimnya adalah appealing, enchanting, and captivating. Menawan atau mempesona. He found her as smart and beautiful as she is charming. Selain pintar, dia juga cantik dan mempesona. Wah, charming. Menawan atau mempesona. Amusing. Amusing means entertaining and funny. Someone who is amusing makes you laugh or smile. Sinonimnya adalah funny, humorous, and comical. Artinya lucu, kocak, atau jenaka. He had a terrific sense of humor and could be very amusing. Dia itu sangat kocak. Amusing. Irritating. Irritating means causing annoyance, impatience, or mild anger. Menjengkelkan, sinonimnya adalah annoying, exasperating, and maddening. It's not that I don't like her, but she has an irritating habit of interrupting everything you say. Bukannya aku tak suka dia, tapi dia itu punya hobi untuk menyela pembicaraan terus. Menjengkelkan sekali. Irritating. Menjengkelkan. Next, obedient. Obedient means willing to do what you have been told by someone in authority. Sinonimnya adalah dutiful, docile, compliant, and law-abiding. Artinya patuh atau taat. Students are expected to be quiet and obedient in the classroom. Murid-murid itu harus taat di kelas. Seharusnya memang begitu. Harus patuh pada bu guru atau pak guru. Obedient. Next, courteous means having and showing good manners, respectful and considerate in manner. Sinonimnya adalah polite, respectful, and well-mannered. Artinya sopan atau berbudi. The students impress the new teacher with their courteous and affable manners. Courteous, polite. Selanjutnya adalah insolent. If you say that someone is being insolent, you mean they are being rude to someone, They ought to be respectful too. Sinonimnya adalah rude, impolite, ill-mannered, and impertinent. Artinya tidak sopan atau tak tahu adat. My strict teacher doesn't tolerate insolent behavior in her classroom. Insolent, rude, impolite. Selanjutnya adalah gregarious. Gregarious means instinctively seeking and enjoying the company of others. Sinonimnya adalah sociable, outgoing, and congenial. Artinya mudah bergaul atau ramah. Leo was an open, gregarious kind of individual who loved people. It was easy for him to make new friends. Gregarious. Hampir sama dengan gregarious, yaitu amiable. Amiable means displaying a friendly and pleasant manner. Artinya juga ramah. Sinonimnya adalah friendly, cordial, and affable. In a sentence, she has an amiable personality, always ready with a kind word and a smile. That's why everybody loves her. Amiable, friendly. Reserve. If you are reserved, you are the opposite of a loud mouth. You are polite, you have a lot of self-control, and you don't show your feelings. Sinonimnya adalah cold, restrained, and private. Artinya suka menyendiri atau tertutup. British men are often seen as being reserved and unemotional. Reserve, tidak mau bercerita tentang dirinya, tertutup. Talkative, lawannya dari reserve, banyak omong. Someone who talks a lot is talkative. Sinonimnya adalah chatty, mouthy, or careless. Banyak omong atau senang bicara. The talkative driver hadn't stopped chatting from the moment Mark had entered the cab. Ngomong terus, suka ngomong. Banyak bicara atau banyak omong. Talkative. Lawannya adalah taciturn. A taciturn person doesn't say very much. Sinonimnya adalah uncommunicative in speech, saying little. Quiet, reticent, and uncommunicative. Sedikit bicara atau pendiam. By nature, Sheila is a taciturn woman who keeps her thoughts to herself. Taciturn. Shy. Shy means not at ease with other people. It implies a manner that shows discomfort or lack of confidence in association with others. Sinonimnya adalah timid, bashful, or self-conscious. Pemalu. I felt clumsy, shy, and awkward at the party. Yes, I am an introvert. What about you? Shy, timid, bashful. Selanjutnya adalah self-confident. Kebalikannya dari shy. Behaving calmly because you have no doubt about your ability and knowledge. Sinonimnya adalah self-assured and assertive. Percaya diri. At school, he was popular and self-confident, and we weren't surprised at his later success. Self-confident. Percaya diri. Determined. Determined means firmly set in one's decision of action, especially with the aim of achieving a particular goal. Artinya adalah teguh hati atau berkemauan keras. Sinonimnya adalah resolute, firm, persistent, and strong-willed. She is determined to leave the company which had treated her unfairly. Dia sudah berteguh hati untuk meninggalkan perusahaannya. Selanjutnya adalah obstinate. Obstinate, stubbornly refusing to change one's opinion, plans, ideas, or behavior. Sinonimnya adalah stubborn, mulish, and bull-headed. Keras kepala. The obstinate old man refused to go to hospital and said that he was not ill. Keras kepala sekali, tidak mau pergi ke rumah sakit dan berkata kalau dia tidak sakit. Obstinate. Selanjutnya adalah considerate. Considerate means thoughtful and showing regard for others and their feelings. Artinya adalah peka atau tenggang hati. Sinonimnya adalah solicitous, thoughtful, and unselfish. It stands to reason that if you are considerate and friendly to people, you will get a lot more back. Pasti akan kembali ke kamu. Considerate. Selanjutnya, compassionate. Compassionate means showing sympathy and sadness for the suffering and bad luck of others and wanting to help them. Artinya adalah iba, terharu atau merasa kasihan, mudah iba pada orang lain. She's always been very compassionate. She loves to do volunteer work on her spare time. Compassionate. Mudah merasa iba atau merasa kasihan pada orang lain. Selanjutnya adalah affectionate. Affectionate means having or showing fond feelings or affection. Penuh kasih sayang, sinonimnya adalah loving, caring, and kind-hearted. Although she looks intimidating, she was warm and affectionate beneath the surface. Kelihatannya saja dia galak, tapi sebenarnya dia itu penuh kasih sayang. Affectionate. Abusive. Abusive means offensive, insulting, or characterized by habitual violence and cruelty. Sinonimnya adalah cruel, vicious, brutish, and ruthless. Kasar atau kejam. Her husband's violent and abusive behavior drove her to despair. Karena kelakuan suaminya yang kasar dan kejam, dia sangat bersedih. Abusive. Selanjutnya adalah ambitious. Ambitious means having a strong desire for success, achievement, power, or wealth. Sinonimnya adalah aspiring, go-getting, and hard-driving. Ambitious. Bahasa Indonesianya hampir sama. Even as a young man, he was ambitious and self-assured. No wonder he is a successful businessman now. Ambitious. Selanjutnya adalah greedy. Greedy means having a selfish desire for something, especially wealth, power, and possessions. Sinonimnya adalah avaricious, money-grabbing, and materialistic. Tamak atau serakah. The greedy boss stopped at nothing to gain profit and make more money. Bos yang tamak itu selalu saja berusaha dengan cara apapun untuk menumpuk kekayaan dan uang. Selanjutnya adalah wise. Wise means having experience and knowledge and good judgment. Sinonimnya adalah sage, sensible, and judicious. Artinya adalah bijaksana. Looking at the weather, I think we made a wise decision not to go to the beach this weekend. Kita telah membuat keputusan yang bijaksana untuk tidak pergi ke pantai. Wise, bijaksana. Gullible. Gullible means easily persuaded to believe something, easily deceived. Mudah tertipu. Mudah percaya pada sesuatu sehingga dia mudah tertipu. Sinonimnya adalah naive, credulous, trusting, and unsuspecting. Mudah tertipu. I was so gullible that I believed him when he said that he would return my money the next day. Aku percaya saja ketika dia pinjam uang dan bilang mau dikembalikan keesokan harinya. Gullible. Selanjutnya adalah fickle. Fickle means likely to change your opinion or feelings suddenly and without a good reason. Sinonimnya adalah capricious, mercurial, or wishy-washy. Pelin-pelan atau berubah-ubah. Brand loyalty is hard to get from the notoriously fickle internet community. Fickle. Pelin-pelan atau berubah-ubah. Next, forgetful. When you are forgetful, things tend to slip your mind. It is difficult for you to remember things. Sinonimnya adalah absent-minded, neglectful, or unmindful. Pelupa atau pikun. As she got older, she became more prickly and forgetful. Dia jadi semakin pikun atau pelupa. Forgetful. Selanjutnya adalah selfish. Selfish means caring only about what you want or need without any thought for the needs or wishes of other people. Egois atau mementingkan diri sendiri. Sinonimnya adalah self-centered, egoistic, or egocentric. She never considers anyone but herself. She is totally selfish. Egois sekali dia, tidak pernah berpikir tentang orang lain. Lawan katanya adalah selfless. If you are selfless, means that you are more concerned with the needs and wishes of other people. Sinonimnya adalah unselfish, altruistic, or charitable. Tidak mementingkan diri sendiri. She is a selfless person who is deeply concerned about social justice. Selfless. Tidak mementingkan diri sendiri. Selanjutnya, dan yang terakhir adalah fashionable. Fashionable means wearing clothes or doing things and going to places that are considered stylish. Artinya adalah modis. Sinonimnya adalah stylish, modish, and trendy. In a sentence, it's becoming fashionable to wear long skirt again. Sekarang itu loh memakai rok panjang jadi modis lagi. Fashionable. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.